It's 3:17 a.m. You are wide awake. Again. Your mind is racing, reviewing emails you already sent, worrying about the kids, remembering something you forgot to do, and you just can't get back to sleep. Or maybe you managed to sleep through. But you wake up feeling heavy, foggy, and unrestored, as if you haven't slept at all. You've tried the basics. No coffee after 2 p.m. You bought the chamomile tea. You even tried melatonin gummies. You go to bed on time. Yet, that deep, refreshing sleep you had in your 30s just feels gone. You've been told this is just a normal part of getting older. But it is not. That feeling isn't just being tired. It's a critical warning sign. Your body isn't just missing out on rest, it's missing out on its nightly repair cycle. This is when your brain cleans itself, your muscles heal, and your hormones reset for the next day. When we lose this, we don't just feel tired, we age faster. We've been sold a myth that sleep is all about quantity, just getting those 8 hours. But for true, deep longevity, the secret isn't just quantity. It's the quality and the timing. Today, we are not talking about temporary fixes or sleeping pills. We are focused on 5 fundamental, science-backed steps to restore your body's natural, powerful sleep rhythm. This isn't about just sleeping more. It's about sleeping deeply, so you can wake up with genuine, lasting energy. First, we must fix the 3 a.m. wake-up. That 3 a.m. alarm isn't in your head, it's in your blood. In a healthy cycle, your sleep hormone, melatonin, is high. And your stress hormone, cortisol, is at its lowest point. But when we are chronically stressed, or when our blood sugar is unstable, our body panics. It releases a spike of cortisol right in the middle of the night. It's your body's fight or flight response, waking you up with a jolt. Actionable tip: to prevent this, you must stabilize your blood sugar before bed. I don't mean eating a heavy meal, but going to bed starving is just as bad. A very small snack about 90 minutes before bed, like a handful of almonds or a single spoonful of almond butter, can provide a slow-release source of energy. This sends a crucial signal of safety to your body. We are not in danger. We are not starving. You can stay asleep. Second, you must relearn how to see the dark. For millions of years, human biology was tied to the sun. We rose with the light, and we slept when it got dark. Our modern world is drowning in what scientists call junk light. That phone you scroll through in bed, the bright overhead lights in your living room, even the blue light from your TV. They are all screaming, "Wake up," to your brain. This light actively blocks your body's ability to produce melatonin. Actionable tip: you must create a digital sunset, 1 to 2 hours before your desired bedtime. Your mission is to make your environment warmer and dimmer. Turn off those bright overhead lights and use small lamps with warm, amber, or even red light bulbs. Put your phone away, ideally in another room. This simple change is one of the most powerful signals you can send to your brain that it's time to prepare for restorative rest. Third, turn down the thermostat. World-class sleep researchers, including Dr. Matthew Walker from the University of California, have shown that a cool room is essential for quality sleep. To initiate and maintain deep sleep, your body's core temperature needs to drop by about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. If your bedroom is too warm, your body has to fight to cool itself down. This fight results in tossing, turning, and fragmented, unrefreshing sleep. Actionable tip: find your cool spot. The sweet spot for most people is between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It's around 18 to 20 Celsius. It might feel a little cool when you first get in, but this temperature signals to your body that it's time to shut down and repair. Fourth, the worry window. Do you find that the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain decides it's the perfect time to solve all of life's problems? This is a major source of sleep onset insomnia, the inability to fall asleep. You cannot simply tell your brain to stop thinking. You have to give it a different time to think. Actionable tip: schedule a worry window earlier in the evening. Take 10 minutes. Sit down with a pen and paper, not your phone. Write down everything that's on your mind. The to-do list for tomorrow, the concern about a family member, the brilliant idea you just had. By writing it down, you are acknowledging the thought and outsourcing it. You're telling your brain, "Thank you, I've got this logged. You are now off duty." And fifth, treat your morning like it's part of your night. This might be the most important step of all. What you do in the first 10 minutes of your day dictates how well you sleep that night. Remember that hormone, cortisol? We want it low at night, but we need a strong, healthy spike of it the moment we wake up. This spike acts like a starting gun. It sets your body's 24-hour internal clock. If you wake up, stay in the dark, and look at your phone, you get a weak, delayed cortisol spike. Your body's clock is now off. It doesn't know when the day truly began, so it doesn't know when to end it. Actionable tip: as soon as you wake up, get light. Don't look at your phone. Go to a window, step outside if you can, and get 10 to 15 minutes of direct, natural morning sunlight. This sunlight, hitting your optic nerves, is the single most powerful signal to turn on your brain. Reset your cortisol and lock in a strong melatonin release 16 hours later. You don't need to fix all 5 of these things tonight. True restoration isn't about perfection, it's about direction. Maybe tonight, you just try the small snack. Tomorrow morning, you go for that walk in the sun. The night after, you create your digital sunset. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your non-negotiable biological foundation. When you restore your sleep, you are restoring your energy, your clarity, and your health. It's never too late to feel young again, one small habit at a time. If this was helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. It truly helps us continue to create valuable research for this community. And I'd love to know, which of these 5 steps resonated with you the most? If you find this kind of science-backed, practical advice valuable for your health journey, please consider supporting the channel through the links in the description or on our Patreon. Share your experience in the comments below. Your journey might be the exact encouragement someone else needs to see today.